So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the P0440 code, what it means and how you go about fixing it. So what is a Toyota P0440 code? Well, it's an evaporative emission control system malfunction. And what does this mean? Well, modern cars have an evap system that takes the gas vapors from the gas tank and they get sent back into the engine and get burnt off so they don't escape into the atmosphere. And the onboard computer's seeing a problem with this, so they have to be troubleshooted to know why. And some of the possible causes of it could be a bad fuel cap, could be a bad purge valve, could be in the charcoal canister, there might be a problem in the wiring, and it could be an evap leak. And so the first thing to do when you get this message is to go check the gas cap, since that is a part of the evap system. And it might be good, but go check it, be sure it's not cracked, that it's got a good seal and everything like this, because the evap system does need a seal in order to work properly. And so if the gas cap's not sealing, then it could be an issue. If it does look bad, then go ahead and replace it. One thing to mention is that third-party aftermarket gas caps can often cause issues. So if you do get a replacement, be sure to get an OEM original one. And so if the gas cap looks good, then the next thing to go check would be the purge valve. This is up inside the engine compartment. It'll have two hoses going to it and a wiring harness. And what this does is just opens when the engine's running so that the gas vapors go in to get burnt off. And when the engine's not running, it just closes so they don't escape. And this can cause issues. Be sure to check out the wiring. Any bad wiring, any bad connection can cause the same symptoms as a bad solenoid. Check out the hoses. Be sure there's no leak going on, because a leak can cause an issue. And so if you check that out and that all looks good, then the next thing you can go ahead and check would be the charcoal canister. And this is located up and underneath the vehicle by the gas tank. It can have several components on it, such as the vent valve and different things like this. And if there's any issue going on here, then it can also cause problems. The main thing when you look at it is to check out the wiring, be sure everything's plugged in, and check for any hoses that look cracked and might be leaking or anything like this. And so if you check out all those things and all those things look good and you tested them or replaced them and you still can't solve this problem, then very likely there's a leak somewhere inside of the system. And small leaks can sometimes be problematic to find. If you took it to a mechanic, what they do is they'd have a smoke machine, they'd feed smoke into the evap system, and then wherever there was a leak, the smoke would come out and they know where it's at. Now, very likely you don't have a smoke machine, but what you can do is go back and examine all these hoses that go around and be sure there's no cracks in them, that they're connected good and everything like this, because those hoses, they go around from the gas tank all the way around to the charcoal canister and then all the way up to the purge valve and into the engine. And if there's a leak anywhere in this, then it could cause an issue, so you want to go and try to see if you could find a leak. And so that's basically it. I just want to give a real quick brief overview of how you go about fixing a Toyota with the P0440 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.